Hey everybody, it is Monday. Welcome back to Get It or Forget It. So I'm about ready to rename the series the Forget It series. I have been not having much luck. Hopefully in the next few weeks we'll have a few more Get It's. But this week we are talking about being sick. I've been sick and we were running out of cough drops. I only have a few left. For years I've bought these Halls. This is the kind we always get, is the Halls cherry, or they have like a blue flavor that's alright that we use also. But I only had like a couple of these left, so I wrote it on the grocery list, went to the store, and I saw the display of Halls, and there's the regular ones and the blue ones. But the most beautiful package was like glowing at me and it was so pretty. It was these brand new Halls Triple Soothing Action Melon Splash. Look how pretty that is. When you have the red and the blue and then this beautiful color just shining and glowing at me, I had to buy it. I thought, how can it be bad? Melon Splash, it's gotta be good, right? No, it isn't. It's terrible, actually. It tastes like, you know when you were a little kid and they had those, I don't know what they were called. They were like those chapsticks. There's a name for them. If you know what it is, tell me in the comments below. And they had all those different flavors. And this tastes like the watermelon version, like that fakey watermelon, artificial watermelon chapstick. It really does taste like chapstick. It's terrible. I've only had one. I didn't have any more. It's just terrible. It's icky. So don't buy it. So definitely forget it and just try to ignore the beautiful packaging and just go with the good old classic cherry or the blue. Blue is, I don't know what, but I like them both. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next Monday. Forget it or forget it. If you don't want to miss, make sure to subscribe. I post this series every Monday at noon my time, which is Central Time. So 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, see you then. Bye.